And we are back. Slight little hiccup there, but you know,
Keep it looping.
keep it looping. All right. Well, let's start this up again. All right. So it looks like we got our basic Figma mockup here. What we're gonna be working on today is this sidebar action with the various options. Actually, we can do a quick prototype here to point the graph button to the graph page, the timeline button to the timeline page. To actually keep, you can't point to yourself. And, so the idea is just simply to hold a group of entities and have different ways of viewing them across different graphics, such as a graph, such as a timeline, eventually a map. We're going to get into a map later in the 100 hours. All right, but today I think we can actually get at least a graph going. So let's see. Excuse me. Get out of here. We're just working on GIFs for mother. Hopefully she doesn't see this. She won't. She doesn't really care about me that much. All right, so let's get started here. If we go to Semantic UI and we look at what sorts of things we're going to need, first of all, a sidebar. So let's go and see if we can build one of those into what we. Oh, look at this. Wonderful. Sidebar. Visible. This kind of looks like an Android sort of thing. Do they have other options here? Slide. Slide out. Scale down. Push. Kind of like the push. I was probably just gonna say right push or left push. Left push dim page. Just want to check exactly what else they got here. Callbacks. Yeah, you can need some of those. Target. Okay. Alright, let's take a look at exactly what we got here. So, this is quite a big component. I don't think I need all that shit. Okay, that's too much for me. What I really want is this basic sidebar. Let's just do a basic sidebar to start. And okay, so it does also have a selector, I think. So, in the spirit of good code, I'm going to copy this entire bit and bring it into my project. Let's see what happens. Not this project. That's actually something I was working on in anticipation of this. And we'll be looking back at that to learn from some of our mistakes that we made. There's everything. All right. So let's open up a folder here. Giving away a lot of information here. Let's see. YouTube. Let's open up this folder. Okay. Then we go to the main index.js. And here we're rendering the app. Okay, so it's from the app page. Let's go back to our Just make it dry. And let's bring in these various elements. We don't want a horizontal sidebar. What we do want is a vertical sidebar. And let's grab those things as well. Okay. So it looks like what we can do when we render is just render this to a vertical sidebar. Direction we don't need there. Animation, let's call that. Okay, what do we get? Oh, let's start the applet. Yeah, I wasn't sure what that meant. So if you look here, prototypes, let's get rid of that. Oh, okay, so now it's at the top here. So we need a direction to be horizontal. Horizontal. Oh, excuse me, vertical. Okay. Clearly I'm struggling here. So it's alright. Let's just instead start this UI. What is it not like here? Expected a string. Alright, we're overcomplicating things a little bit. Let's just look at the properties here. So see exactly what we do here. Let's see if we can just grab this. Don't want to set a vertical. Just want my app and my site. Okay, so just pull that in here. Okay, so I think what I'm realizing is we do actually need some state. We need a state that make this tells us whether the sidebar is visible or not. So I just want to copy one of these components. This is just a React component type. I saw it down here. Okay, so something like this. And this is our app. And it extends a component. And then it has a render method. And that render method calls this return function, which we'll clean up in a little bit here. And then I actually don't need this anymore. Okay, and then what I actually want to have here is a constructor. Now, I'm not exactly sure what the best practices are for holding state. This is the way I know it to do it. Let's just use this constructor function. Okay, so sidebar. We'll set that equal to false to start. Okay, and then we want to have a function. This is this dot set state. And we'll say sidebar visible to bool. And then we actually do this dot set visible dot bind to this. Okay, so now to do that, we shouldn't see a sidebar yet. So visible is not found, visible isn't defined. Component is not defined, it's okay. Still, we're vertical. Okay. And that says here, we're not. A little confusing. But let's see what we can do about that. I wonder if it has something to do with the rest of this code. Let's see if we comment that out. What exactly happens? Nothing happens.